Well, this beautiful pale pink ground floral Victorian open bowl teacup and saucer were made by Williamson's in the Heathcote branding that they were operating 1930s, 40s and 50s and 60s. And these are dating their late pieces towards the end of Heathcote's production. 1966, this is impress marked. A beautiful open bowl. Just look at the design on that. Pedestal footed with this concave moulding on the hollow base. There's the Heathcote bone china, England factory stamp and a 5190 decorator's mark in the gilt that was used. Indent rimmed, as you can see, double indents all the way around this beautifully gilded rim. A very unusual moulded high peak handle with a little raised twiggy knob for thumb rest, and really nicely decorated both with the pink ground outer wall and then the twin block of floral transfer print on the pure bone white porcelain inners. An absolutely gorgeous thing, and that's sitting on this very nicely decorated, again, pink ground top, plain white under. Three blockwork designs of this sort of very meadow-esque pink, blue and green with a brown undercoat in the transfer printed floral pattern used here. Central well, irregular scallop and indents around the rim. Again, bone china Heathcote marks, and this one's got the impress marks. This is where we get the date marks from. 566, probably May 1966. The piece of china was actually moulded. Beautiful sets, absolutely gorgeous, quintessential mid-century English floral bone china in a very, very pretty pink ground tone with that lovely bright gilt, and the unusual handle design really makes it stand out. One for the teacup collectors. I'm not certain at this time exactly how many duos we've got coming through, but we're going to check that, and that should be on the listing. So if you follow the website link below, take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website where these period teacup duos are going on sale this afternoon. Thanks for watching.